You guys, today is a special video because it's my birthday. Today's a birthday vlog. So today's video is going to be a decorate my apartment with me for my birthday. We're having like a little kickback. There's going to be about 20 or so people. We have a lot to do before people start to arrive. The first thing is clean. Second, we want to make sure we charge all of our electronics. And then third, I want to decorate this space here. I have a ton of balloons that I want to fill the hallway with. I also need to decorate the coffee table and just put out engaging things like board games and like the little photo thing that I have for them to take photos. And then here is going to be the food display. So I've cleared out the whole counter. All of my appliances that were on the counter I put underneath. And so we are going to use this space to do all the decorating or the presenting of the food. So I'll show you guys some of the stuff that I got, and yeah, and we're gonna set that up together. So here's the party inspo. It's a Y2K party, and I want white decorations, champagne colors, and I do want pops of pink because the cake is pink. So it's just gonna be really chill vibes, drinks, cocktails, lots of mingling. And so here is the vibe board that I'm going for. And you guys, I have to show you my cake. It looks so good. This is the inspo, and then I will show you what the cake lady, what do you call a cake? Baker. And I'll show you what the baker came up with later. Got these to prop up stuff like food and candles and drinks, and then this is the cake display. And then I've got these little cups that I'm gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna use them for yet. I think I'm gonna put the peach cobbler in here. So I got these custom cups. I don't know if you can see, but it's my baby picture, not baby picture, well, like 4 or 5. Yeah, it says established 1991 on it. Okay guys, so here's what I have so far. It looks better in person. That was anticlimactic, but when you are doing your food display, it's good to add layers. So I got these little white boxes off of Amazon, and I'll make sure to link them. The banana pudding is gonna go here. Collard greens, because they have to stay hot, I'm gonna put them here. And then I was thinking the shrimp skewers could go here. Plus, this looks like too much going on right now. It's like way too many things. So I wanna see if I can condense this. It looks pretty, but it's a little too much, so I think I might get rid of some of them on the bottom. These from Trader Joe's. I didn't have any vases, so I just took these plastic cups that I had and I cut the flowers down to size. Guys, so my sister and her friends just got here. My sister's friend, Christina, I mean, she's my friend too, but she's gonna be doing the bartending. So she's just got downstairs and she's gonna set up her stuff right here. Like the regular non-alcoholic drinks and are gonna be here. There's water here. And then bowls for the collard greens, or plates if they want, napkins and utensils. So I decided to put out some games, but I didn't just want to put out games, I also wanted to make it decorative. When you're doing a party, you want to make sure there's interactive activities for your guests. I had several. I didn't put seats everywhere because I want to encourage people to stand up and mingle and talk. But then I also put a board game area for maybe those who wanted some help with the interaction. And these games are going to get people talking and having a good time. So I put those here, but I also wanted to display some of my coffee table books. I also end up putting my Polaroid camera if people want to take selfies. So just little things like that you should think about when you're hosting so that your guests can have interactive things to do. All right, so we are putting these little strings, show them the hall. So I want to fill the whole wall, like I told you guys, with balloons, and we are maybe a quarter of the way done, maybe? No, I think you need a lot more. Yeah, I mean, I'm optimistic. But I always tell you guys that I'm going to record my hosting process, and I have not really been able to record much. I already showed you the setup over there. There's still a little bit of food that we have to do, but we're still decorating. We kind of cleared all the stuff out. If you can see over there, my desk isn't there anymore. All the drinks are out. So right now we're just doing the last minute decoration. And I'm about to show you guys the cake. Extra careful. I don't even think I'm supposed to put it in the fridge. Actually, let's bring the, hold on 1 second. So cute. Here it is. This is actually my first time seeing it too. In full effect. Ooh. Look at it. So cute. This is exactly what I wanted it to be. I should put my name on the bottom. So here's the tricky part. Alright, it's heavy, so be ready to catch it. Got it. All right, success, success. All right, guys, so we got the decorations going. We've got all the balloons. So you walk in, there's balloons there. I got rid of all my coats so that they can hang in their coats. I need to get my shoes put into my closet, but here's the hangers. Walk in. You guys don't care about the shoes. Here's the good stuff. And then you got the 3 and the 4. Because I'm 34, guys. Okay, so here's a pan of the room. I still gotta turn the lights on. But this room is done. So I'm gonna show you guys. I got my little entertainment light on. So the juice is gonna go in here. And I'm gonna use my little 1991 cups for regular non-alcoholic drinks. And then this is for the greens, like I told you guys earlier. I'm gonna wait to light the candles. This is the charcuterie board. These are where the dips are gonna go. I'm gonna do that after I get out the shower. And then here is gonna be the shrimp skewers. Over here is gonna be the cornbread, the greens, and the banana pudding. And then I have my cake here. It looks so beautiful with my name. And then I got these little mini forks. I just thought they were cute. And then Christina, she used to be a bartender, so she's gonna bartend. So this is her bartend setup. She's super profesh. She's got all the stuff here. We're gonna fill the sink with ice. I already put 1 block of ice. We Cloroxed it and everything. And then here's all the cups. Right here we've got some of the backup sodas. All the fruit and stuff is in the fridge. So let me actually show you guys though the big mess is my room. So I don't know why I decided it would be a good time to do laundry. I just wanted to get like some of my laundry taken care of just in case somebody goes in the laundry room, thinking it's the bathroom, and they see this huge pile of laundry. So all of this is clean laundry, and I'm gonna jump in the shower and get dressed, and then I'm gonna hang this stuff up. And I plan to hang it all up, but if I don't, please believe I'm gonna throw it all in the closet before everybody gets here. So let me hurry up and get dressed so I'm not rushing, because the caterer is gonna be here in an hour, and so is the security guard. He's also gonna be here in an hour. So I need to hurry up and shower because I don't wanna rush that part. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a second. You guys, I totally forgot to pick my camera back up after I got out of the shower, because that's when everything just started going fast paced. So I'm going to show you a few clips from the party. We had such a good time. It turned out so good, and I still have people complimenting how much fun they had. Thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy this little sneak peek of my birthday celebration, and I will see you all next week. Love you. Bye. Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they're calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia Styles, this ain't no last dance. We pass it. Wait, it's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't happy birthday to the both of us.
Aww. I should have got that on camera.
Right, say it again. Say it, Sandra. It's recording already.
Okay. All right. Let me get this for my Katie's Cakes is where I got this from.
Okay, Katie's Cake.
Okay. All right, you can sing now.
Happy birthday to